Hi, my name is Caden, here on staff at Surfforce, and today we're reviewing the Nerf Fortnite SPL. You want to take your cutting tool and just cut the tape that was there. It's no longer here anymore. You then want to slide your cardboard tray out that holds everything. Throw the box. So now you're left with your darts, your instructions, the blaster, and the barrel. So you're going to want to cut your blaster out of the shell. It's fairly simple, held in by two elastic strands here and one holding on to the muzzle/barrel. You then take your barrel, if you want it, stick it on here like the real suppressed pistol. Pull your breech back, load 3 of your darts. It comes with double the amount. 3 into the internal magazine, push it forward, and fire. And you can do it again. And again, and again into oblivion. That's basically how the functionality of this blaster works. My opinion of this gun is fairly simple. It's a good gun. Now, it does have Fortnite branding on it, which makes it way more expensive. But it's still cool. Pulling it back here is very slim. It's not hard and kind of like grindy, I guess, to pull back. I wish the magazine held more, but you can't fit that much into this space, which is about 3 to 4 inches. I do like the brown aspects. It's actually kind of cooler. I thought they would go with black, but that would look like a real firearm, so they kind of didn't. They did do it here, which Lance thinks, oh, you can dual wield it because you stick this piece right here, and you stick it into the sight, and you can pull back with 2. I don't think that's the case, however, but frankly, I don't care. But overall, fairly straightforward gun. It's cool. It is more expensive, but it is good for cosplaying. If you are a Fortnite cosplayer, cool. But that's about it for my review. We'll go ahead and get into Lance's review, and that'll be it.
So I'm here to give my take on the Fortnite SPL. It's a really good gun, and I have a certain belief about them of why they're a really good gun. They shoot pretty far, they hold a decent amount of ammo for a pistol, but what also I think is crazy about them, and this is just my thing though, not Caden's. Caden doesn't believe this, but it's not wrong! Why would they paint both the Zeals black if I was wrong? They're both the same color.
Okay, so
they obviously link. No, it doesn't.
Okay.
Only on plastic. But yeah, so you do that, and then boom, you've got 2 loaded guns, and you can fire up to 3 shots, up to 6 shots, with 2 guns. I think that's what that's meant for. I don't know, I could be wrong, but I do believe that's what that meant for, and why this is a great gun, except with the barrel on. The barrel does suck. I'd take that off immediately. Shut up, cameraman, no one cares about you. Go back to being a janitor. Alright, so that's it for my opinion. I don't really have much to say that hasn't been said already except for the cool dual wield factor about it. That's the only thing I find really important about this gun besides it being actually an okay Fortnite gun. All the other Fortnite guns are garbage. But yeah, that's my opinion.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's fun making. Go ahead and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Go ahead and follow our social medias. Those will be down in the description. If you want to check out a review of the other Fortnite blaster, the ARL, that'll be in the description. That's about it. So this is me signing off.